If you're using a Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G with Xiaomi HyperOS and you want to lock your apps with PIN, password, even fingerprint to keep them private, let's open settings, scroll down for apps, and then just tap on this app lock option. Tap on turn on. You can set a pattern, or you can just go ahead, tap on change password and set a PIN or password to lock your apps like whatever suits you. Press next after creating the lock type, confirm it. You'll be prompted to sign into your Xiaomi account in case you forget the password, need to reset it, you know the drill. If you don't want it, doesn't matter, just press not now and then not now once again. All the apps are pre-selected in here. All you gotta do is just unselect the apps or just make sure to select the apps that you wanna lock in this device. And then just hit use app lock. If you've got your fingerprint enabled, you'll be prompted to add that as well. I'm going to use it, it's quick and fast. And there it is, the app lock is enabled, and all the locked apps will show up in here. Before you leave this section, my friend, you can tap on this wheel icon, and you can just look around some privacy settings in here. Especially the in-lock settings, select the frequency that your apps will keep locking up. It's recommended that you can use the middle one, which is the best option, which is it'll locked right after you leave the app. And then you're all set. Whenever you need to enter or access any app, just put down your screen lock, PIN, pattern, password, or fingerprint, whatever you have set. Use the app, go back, and your app will be locked once again. If you want to disable the lock system for any app, just go back to the same settings and disable the lock option for that specific app. That's all. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.